You know, welcome back dito sa JB Vlogs TV mga idol. So bali ngayon, magpapalipad ulit tayo ng saranggola. So bali dalawang saranggola yung ating papaliparin, isang dipuit na diibon. Ayan, wala siyang sumba kasi nung last na nilagyan ko ng sumba, mabigat yung nagawa ko na sumba. Kaya medyo tumatagilid. Pero nung inilis namin yung sumba, mas gumanda yung lipad niya. Next time ko na lang to gawan ng sumba na mas maliit, yung saktong-sakto lang dito yung kayang buhatin. Tapos ito naman, yung isa natin papalipad, yung rocket kite. Ayan. Bali, first time ko gumawa niyan mga idol. Bali, tingnan natin kung maganda yung magiging lipad niya mamaya. Okay? So, tara!
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. When you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Ayan na nga mga idol, yung rocket kite. Angas oh. Nice one. Tapos ito naman yung diibon. Ayan siya oh. Tapos may malit doon, may nagpapalipad. Yung binenta ko sa doon sa zone 7. Zone 6 pala. Yan. Call of Duty. Hindi, aeroplano yan, jet kite ito, kaya Tora-Tora. Yan, ito yung ating rocket kite. Medyo may na yung hangin kaya medyo bumababa oh. Yan, angat na naman. Ayan mga idol, bale, eto pala, sobrang takaw niya sa hangin. Kailangan tuloy-tuloy yung hangin na tumatama sa kanya para hindi siya bumaba. Kasi once na humina yung hangin o kaya ay kinulang siya sa hangin, malalaglag siya. Kaya pang malakas ang hangin talaga. Angas niya sa itas oh. Angas ng tindi.
Titingnan ko lang. Tara na ka.
Wala daw natitindahan.
Gago, ikot-ikot. Gago, lustog ni.
Pato, ikaw na landing.
Ya? Garambag. On touch.